I've started this dish by softening some sliced onions in some sunflower oil. They're really nice and soft and golden. And here I've got some basmati rice that I've cooked just for 8 minutes. Tip that in and stir it around. We're going to continue to cook the rice by steaming it. I'm going to put some kitchen paper over the top. Be careful if you've got a gas hob here that it doesn't go too low. And then put the lid on. And that's just going to stop any steam from escaping. While that rice is finishing off, I'm going to make a marinade for our chicken. I've got some yogurt here. To that, I'm going to add some tahini. For the full recipe, click the link in the description. I've got some crushed garlic here. I'm going to add 1/3 of that mixture. I've got some chicken thigh fillets that I've cut in half. I'm just going to make sure that the chicken's evenly coated in the mixture. If you've got time, you can do this in advance and let the chicken marinate. I'm going to cook mine straight away. I've preheated a griddle pan. I'm going to cook my chicken. It needs about 8 to 10 minutes until it's cooked all the way through and beautifully golden brown. So while that chicken just carries on cooking, let's finish off that rice. It's really, really fluffy, nicely cooked through. I'm going to add to that some pomegranate seeds, some pistachios that have been roughly chopped, and some mint. Such fantastic, vibrant colours there in our rice. And now for that chicken. And then to finish off, a little bit of that delicious yogurt tahini sauce. For more recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.